Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into a very practical and relevant topic, how to choose educational videos for classwork or homework. Videos are a fantastic learning tool, but not all videos are created equal. Let's explore how to make the best choices to enhance our learning experiences. Understanding cognitive load. Firstly, let's discuss a crucial concept called cognitive load. This is the amount of mental effort required to process information. When selecting a video, we need to consider three types of cognitive loads. 1. Intrinsic cognitive load. This is related to the complexity of the content itself. Always choose videos that match your current understanding and build upon your prior knowledge without overwhelming you. 2. Extraneous cognitive load. This involves unnecessary information that could distract you from the main content. Look for videos that are clear, concise, and free from irrelevant details that do not contribute to your learning. 3. Germane cognitive load. This is the effort put into creating a permanent store of knowledge or learning. Opt for videos that encourage active thinking and interaction, such as those posing questions or offering problem-solving activities. When selecting educational videos for classroom or personal study, understanding the concept of cognitive load is essential. Cognitive load refers to the total amount of mental effort being used in the working memory. Let's break down the three types of cognitive loads and how they influence the effectiveness of educational videos. 1. Intrinsic cognitive load. Definition and impact. Intrinsic cognitive load is related to the inherent difficulty of the material itself. It varies based on the complexity of the subject matter and the learner's existing knowledge. When choosing a video, it's crucial to match the complexity of the content to the learner's current understanding to avoid overwhelming them. Application in video selection. Look for videos that introduce new concepts at a pace suitable for your background knowledge. If you're new to a topic, start with videos that cover fundamental concepts before advancing to more complex topics. This gradual progression helps manage the intrinsic load effectively. 2. Extraneous cognitive load. Definition and impact. Extraneous cognitive load involves information or presentation styles that don't directly help in understanding the core material. This might include overly complex information, distracting visuals, or poorly structured content that requires additional mental effort to understand what is being taught. Application in video selection. Opt for videos that are well organized and clearly focused on the topic. Features like clear visuals, straightforward explanations, and a lack of unnecessary decorative details help minimize extraneous cognitive load. Videos should have high production quality to avoid distractions like poor audio or video clarity. 3. Germane cognitive load. Definition and impact. Germane cognitive load is the effort put into processing, constructing, and automating schemas. It involves the mental work associated with making sense of and storing the information. This type of cognitive load is desirable as it facilitates learning and deeper understanding. Application in video selection. Choose videos that encourage active learning and critical thinking. Look for content that includes problem-solving exercises, thought-provoking questions, or interactive elements like quizzes. These features help increase the germane load by engaging you directly with the material, promoting better understanding and retention. Balancing cognitive loads. Strategic approaches. To effectively use educational videos, aim to balance these cognitive loads. The goal is to maximize germane load while minimizing extraneous load and appropriately adjusting the intrinsic load based on the learner's level. This balance ensures that cognitive resources are focused on learning the material rather than deciphering how it's presented or being overwhelmed by complexity. Example: when introducing a complex concept like the laws of thermodynamics, Select a video series that starts with basic principles in a straightforward, visually clear format. This approach manages intrinsic load by building foundational knowledge, minimizes extraneous load through clarity, and maximizes germane load by gradually introducing interactive elements and practical applications. Understanding and managing cognitive load is crucial when choosing educational videos. By selecting videos that appropriately address intrinsic, extraneous, and germane cognitive loads, educators and students can enhance the learning experience, ensuring that the cognitive capacity is not wasted but effectively used to foster genuine understanding and knowledge retention. Students' engagement. Engagement is key to effective learning. Here are some strategies to ensure that videos are engaging. 1. Brevity. Short videos, ideally between 2 to 6 minutes, help maintain your focus and ensure that you watch them entirely without losing interest. 2. Conversational style. Videos that use a conversational tone, including words like you and I, make the learning experience more personal and relatable. 3. Pacing and enthusiasm. A video's pace matters. A moderate speed of 185 to 254 words per minute is optimal. Enthusiasm from the presenter can also make the content more engaging. Look for videos where the instructor seems passionate and expressive about the topic. Engaging students effectively is a crucial component of educational success, especially when incorporating videos into learning. Let's explore how the right kind of educational videos can maximize student engagement and facilitate deeper learning. 1. Importance of brevity. Principle: attention spans can be limited, especially with digital content. Keeping videos brief is essential to maintaining student attention and ensuring that the content is absorbed fully. Implementation: choose videos that are concise, ideally between 2 to 6 minutes long. This length has been shown to hold students' attention effectively, encouraging them to watch the entire video without becoming distracted or disengaged. If more extended coverage of a topic is necessary, consider breaking it down into smaller segments that cover different subtopics. 2. Conversational tone. Principle: a conversational tone can create a more relaxed and engaging learning environment. It helps students feel as though they are in a dialogue with the instructor rather than being lectured at, which can enhance focus and retention. Implementation: select videos where the presenter uses a conversational style, employing direct language and personal pronouns like you and I. This method helps students feel more directly involved in the lesson and can make the content seem more relevant to their personal learning journey. 3. Enthusiasm and pacing. Principle: the presenter's enthusiasm and speech pace can significantly affect engagement. A lively presentation style can captivate students, making the learning experience more enjoyable and stimulating. Implementation: look for videos where the instructor speaks at an energetic pace, approximately 185-254 words per minute, and displays genuine enthusiasm about the subject matter. Phrases that express excitement about the content, such as "I love this part" or "Isn't that fascinating?" can enhance engagement by transmitting the instructor's passion to the students. 4. Relevance and contextualization. Principle: videos need to be relevant to the course material to be truly effective. When students understand how a video fits into the larger course context, they are more likely to perceive it as valuable and pay closer attention. Implementation: choose videos specifically designed for the course or that can be clearly linked to the material being taught. Videos should ideally be integrated into the curriculum with introductory or follow-up discussions that highlight their connection to broader learning objectives. Adding contextual cues within the video, like call-outs or on-screen text, can also help students make connections with the core material. 5. Interactive elements. Principle: Interaction during video viewing can significantly enhance engagement. Interactive elements prompt students to participate actively rather than passively consuming content. Implementation. Utilize videos that incorporate questions, quizzes, or prompts that require responses either during or after viewing. This interactivity can help reinforce learning materials and ensure that students are not just watching, but thinking critically about the content. Student engagement in educational videos is not just about watching a video. It's about creating an immersive and interactive learning experience. By focusing on brevity, conversational tone, enthusiasm, relevance, and interactive elements, educators can select videos that are not only informative, but also highly engaging and conducive to active learning. Active learning. Active learning involves more than just watching. It includes interacting with the content. When selecting videos, consider the following. 1. Interactive elements. Videos should include features like quizzes or embedded questions that allow you to test your understanding as you learn. 2. Guiding questions. Some videos come with guiding questions that help focus your attention on key points. These questions can enhance your understanding and retention of the information. 3. Integration with homework. Videos that are part of a larger assignment can provide a richer learning experience. They should connect clearly with your coursework and prompt further exploration or critical thinking. Active learning is a crucial element in education that focuses on engaging students directly and meaningfully with the material, rather than passively receiving information. When incorporating videos into educational settings, it's essential to ensure they promote this kind of dynamic involvement. Here's how to select and use videos to maximize active learning. 1. Interactive questions and assessments. Principle. Integrating questions and interactive assessments within videos can greatly enhance learning by engaging students in real-time processing of the information presented. This approach supports the testing effect, where recall of information improves through testing with active retrieval. Implementation. Choose or create videos that pause to pose questions or that have built-in quizzes. Platforms like HapYak or PlayPosit allow educators to embed questions directly into videos. These interactions can challenge students to reflect on what they have watched, apply concepts immediately, and engage more deeply with the material. 2. Guiding questions. Principle. Guiding questions help students focus on key aspects of the video content, enhancing comprehension and retention. These questions set a purpose for viewing and keep students mentally active during the video. Implementation. Before showing a video, provide students with a set of guiding questions they should be able to answer after watching. This strategy helps direct their attention to critical information and concepts, fostering a more engaged and purposeful viewing experience. 3. Control features in videos. Principle. Giving students some control over their viewing experience can increase engagement and understanding. Features like pause, rewind, and skip can help students learn at their own pace, revisiting complex parts as needed. Implementation. Utilize video platforms that allow students to control their viewing experience. Encourage students to take advantage of these features by pausing to take notes, rewinding to review complicated sections, and skipping known information to focus on new content. 4. Follow-up activities. Principle. Videos should be a component of a larger learning activity, not standalone resources. Follow-up activities can extend learning by encouraging students to apply what they've learned in new and varied contexts. Implementation. After a video session, engage students in activities that require them to use the information they've acquired. This could be a hands-on experiment, a group discussion, a project, or a written assignment. These activities help solidify knowledge and connect video content to real-world applications. 5. Encouraging peer learning. Principle: discussion and collaboration among peers after watching a video can enhance understanding and foster deeper learning. Peer interactions encourage students to articulate their thoughts and defend their viewpoints, which is beneficial for critical thinking and comprehension. Implementation: organize small group discussions or projects based on the video content. Encourage students to share their insights and challenge each other's understanding. This collaborative learning can be facilitated in person or through digital forums and discussion boards. By incorporating active learning strategies into video-based education, we can transform passive viewing into an interactive and impactful learning experience. These strategies not only make learning with videos more engaging, but also ensure that videos actively contribute to the educational goals of the course, promoting deeper understanding and retention of the material. As we wrap up our discussion on effectively selecting and using educational videos in classroom settings, it's clear that videos are more than just supplementary materials. They are powerful educational tools that can transform the learning experience when used thoughtfully. We've explored several essential aspects today, including understanding cognitive load to choose videos that match students' learning levels without overwhelming them. We've emphasized the importance of student engagement, showing that the best educational videos are concise, use a conversational tone, and are rich in content to captivate and maintain students' interest. Furthermore, we delved into strategies for promoting active learning, such as incorporating interactive questions, using control features, and following up with activities that deepen understanding and application of the content viewed. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in making video-based learning effective and impactful. Educational videos, when chosen and implemented correctly, offer diverse benefits. They cater to various learning styles, enhance retention of information, and make learning accessible and engaging. By reducing cognitive overload, encouraging active participation, and fostering interactive and collaborative learning environments, videos can significantly enhance educational outcomes. Let's continue to embrace and enhance the use of educational videos in our teaching. I encourage all educators to apply the insights and strategies discussed today to not only choose the right videos, but also integrate them effectively into their curricula. By doing so, we can ensure that these tools fulfill their potential as catalysts for deeper learning and engagement. Thank you for your attention and dedication to improving educational practices. As educators, your role in adapting and optimizing new learning technologies is crucial. Continue to explore, experiment, and evaluate how best to use educational videos to enrich our students' learning experiences. Together, let's harness the full potential of digital resources to create more dynamic, inclusive, and effective educational environments.